What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Another banger of a video. So today we're gonna be doing some early Black Friday shopping, POV driving, go to the beach or something. But yeah, we got the Civic right here. As you guys can see, we got a green door. If you guys don't remember, this was all black. That's because of body work over here. So now it's just over here. But I found a green door on Marketplace. It's the same color to the Civic as well, so I swapped that Johnny over. We don't have an interior. Oh, well, we do. It's back there. I just gotta still change some things over here. And what's it called? Hold on, I'm freezing. I don't know what I was gonna say, but yeah, the car looks better now. It's just that end of the quarter panel that just has like the body work and all that. But it should be looking good maybe by next summer. But yeah, so we're gonna go on a cruise. We got this, the POV mount, so that should be good. I'm gonna go buy a PS5 because I've been wanting to play video games for quite some time. Ooh, little cold start. But yeah, drive around, just talk, update you guys. It's been a minute since I've really uploaded a video, so I think this would be a little cool chill video. But yeah, let me just grab some more things that I need from the house. Ooh, the car is coming. Let me grab some things from the house real quick and then we'll get back to it. Alright guys, so we're on the road now. Let's see what's new. A lot of things has happened, not really. I'm gonna put the window all the way up. If you guys didn't see the video, we got the S2000 cluster on here. We got this horn delete plate on the steering wheel. Looks a little more sportier, more motorsport, I guess you could say. What else? Oh, and then if you guys don't know, I got a B20B, not in the car yet, but I have one sitting on the side that I've been building. Finally picked up a transmission on that. For that, I picked up an LS transmission. What else? Yeah, well, that's mainly what I needed on the swap, just the LS trans, and then obviously like the little stuff, like the I think the shift linkage was like the last main thing I need for the swap. What else? That, and then obviously like the little maintenance stuff that you need, you know, head gaskets, all that. Damn, this car is so much more louder in here without the this door panel. Kind of makes a difference. But yeah, that's pretty much like the last thing I needed for the swap. And I'm gonna stop recording because there's a lady coming. But yeah, a lot of progress has been going on with the street truck. If you guys have been interested on that, I got a video cooking up on it. We got the frame fully assembled. Well, it's gonna get disassembled again so we can paint the frame. We're gonna be doing like the black steel it. And what else? Also, by the like around January, end of January, February, expect the content to be way much slower than how it is now. Your boy enlisted in school, so we're gonna be going to college now. I'm gonna be going in so I can get my welding certificate. I really want to learn how to weld. You know, it comes in handy. Things I can fabricate my own things, weld up my own things, do my own repairs, all that stuff. So I really want to learn how to do that. I could just buy my own welder and learn from there, but I don't know. I ain't trying to burn down my house if I fuck up or something. I don't know. I only have like 30 minutes of experience from that in college, so that was like years ago. That was like back in right before COVID hit, of my sophomore year. But yeah. Ooh, we got some people. Oh damn, me and my girl right there on the bike. If she's seen this, what's up? I doubt she'll see this, but what's up? But yeah, what else has been going on, guys? Not so sure. But I also if you guys didn't see the video of the turbo kit on this shit, I am gonna be keeping that whole turbo kit. I'm gonna order a a new intercooler piping kit for it, and then a new downpipe. I don't know when I'll start on that. I'm waiting on for the Silverado to get out of the garage, so I can just throw the Civic in there. So maybe in a couple months. I still gotta buy everything. I already have injectors for it for the from the V20. They're 500cc, 500 or 550cc injectors. I don't remember. I don't know if that's enough. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. I'm not gonna make crazy power, and I don't really care to, you know, put that much money into this motor when I'm trying to blow it up, you know. But yeah, those are future plans, so keep an eye out on that. Hopefully within a month or two. I mean, we've been making some good ass progress on the truck, like stripping it out. It's just really just painting the frame itself, and then finish removing the other frame. But you guys will see that in the next week's video for sure. But yeah, that's some of the updates. Not sure what's been going on. I'm trying to think if there's anything interesting that's been going on lately. If you guys don't know, I do security. A couple weeks ago, I worked a rave. It was a Escape up in San Bernardino. Dude, holy fuck, bro. I was doing the bag searches. God damn, dude. I felt like a whole ass cop. Y'all should have seen like the amount of drugs I was confiscating. Like, damn. And them fools know how to party, though. I'll give them that. Yeah, I was taking pills, that white powder, and then with the ganja, we were supposed to take them away, but I let a few people slide with it. You know, it's just that. It's nothing crazy, you know. I would just take like the hard stuff away from them. But it was a cool experience. I'll maybe work it next year. It was like 13-hour shifts back to back. It was like 2 days. Man, I was drained as hell. The second day, I didn't even search him anymore. I would just like feel the bag and all that. But if the supervisor was around, you bet your ass I was like #1 worker. I was checking everything. But for the most part, I was letting everyone slide on the second day. But yeah, that's that. I do security, guys. That's like the money maker right there, I guess. But yeah, like a couple days ago, I was working a concert. I'm working another one in a couple days. I'm not gonna say the names until afterwards. But yeah, maybe next POV driving video, I'll let you guys know who it was or what concert I had. I wanted to work the Usher concert though, but last weekend I went to Camp Flog now, and I went in sick, and then I came out worse. Yeah, I was at Camp Flog. Camp Flog was cool. I went last year. I really enjoyed it. I got to see Kendrick, Tyler obviously, and a whole bunch of other people like Guko. I don't know if you guys know Guko. That's my boy. That's my goat. But yeah, it was pretty cool. This year I saw Schoolboy Q. I've been wanting to see him for a while. I love Schoolboy Q. And then like the last day it was Cardi. I saw Cardi too. I was in them pits. I got lucky that I saw my cousin, or I met up with him. So I went with my girlfriend, and then he was with his girlfriend and some other people. So we left the girls together. They took care of each other while him and I went into the pits. It was pretty crazy. If I remember, I'll post like a clip right here of how the pits look. But it was pretty cool. I'll obviously be there again next year. Loved it this year, last year. This year was alright. The lineup was alright. It was a lot of indie artists. I don't really listen to indie artists like that. I'm more into like the rap stuff, you know. But it was pretty cool. If you guys haven't gone, if you guys are into all that, y'all gotta go. It was pretty cool. It's a Saturday and Sunday. But yeah, I came back dying. I had to call out for the Usher concert, and I was looking forward to it. If they put me on stage, I was gonna ask that fool about Diddy, but that didn't happen. All right, chat. We're at Target. We got the whip right here, all cleaned up. But yeah, we're gonna go get a PS5. They got the Black Friday deals already starting, so I'm gonna go cop myself one. I'm gonna go with the plug right now, get an even better deal. So I'll let y'all know how that goes. But yeah, let's just admire the Civic real quick. I do want to buy another GoPro. I think it'll come in handy. But that's for another time. Damn, the rain fucked up my shit. But all right, I'll be back. All right, guys. So I bought me a little Red Bull 2, and then here's the PS5. So the total was $290. Shout out the Plug. But yeah, we're gonna get back on the road. The car was starting to overheat a bit for some reason, but the fans did lower it a bit. So we're gonna wait here in a bit in the parking lot, sip on the Red Bull, and go on from there. See if we go on, continue the cruise or not. Alright guys, back on the road. So what's the move, guys? Do I start streaming or what? Nah, I feel like I'd get canceled within like one stream or some shit. I don't know. I'll probably stream on the side, on the low keys, and depending on how that goes, I'll let y'all know. But if you guys think I should stream, comment down below. But yeah, we saw Popo right there. Hopefully you don't come get us. But yeah, got the PS5. About to be gaming it all night, guys. All damn night. Nah, I'm so excited. I haven't played video games in like probably over a year or so. My PS4 like took a dump on me, so I haven't been able to play. I've been just playing like Minecraft on my phone. But yeah. But yeah. Also, we got stuff coming in for the CRV and the Civic itself, so hopefully that's what you guys are looking forward to. I did post like a, oh damn, a rock hit me. I did post like a poll on my on the channel. It was between the Civic, the CRV, and the turbo truck, the Silverado. Majority of you guys said first place was the CRV, second place was the Civic, and then last was the Silverado, which I honestly expected the Silverado to be more higher up, because that's where I saw like most people were interested in. But I mean, we'll see. It's all if you guys are seeing this video, like, comment down below what you guys want to see. I mean, I'm gonna try to post more of the CRV soon. I just haven't really had anything. I got some stuff I want to order for it. The Civic, I do have some stuff on the way already. It's just when will I get around to actually installing it? That's like the thing. But whatever you guys want to see, let me know. Just comment down below. Comment down below what you guys want to see. But yeah, stuff is on the way. Stuff is gonna be getting ordered soon. We're gonna get the ball moving, all that stuff. We'll see. I do want to hit up more meets. I need to put myself more out there, you know. I like talking to people. Oh, I try to talk to people. I try my best. I could be social, but you know, it all varies, you know. But yeah, there was a meet I wanted to go to. It was like a 7-Eleven meet over in Santa Ana a couple days ago. So we'll try to hit up more meets, guys. But yeah, whatever you guys want to do, I'm down to meet up with you guys sometime, do a little cruise, a little baby meet. But I also want to see like there actually being effort to it, if that makes sense. I don't know if I worded that correctly, but I want to like make sure like people would come, you know. But we'll see though. But yeah, I have to lower the windows. It was getting hot in here. But yeah, hopefully later on down the line, I could do a little meet. Nothing too crazy. Maybe once a bit more bigger, have a bit more people, like more viewers, I guess. More viewers. I'm down to throw a little meet, but it all depends. I really want to do that. That's definitely a goal of mine to start up a meet. It'll be cool. Meet some of you guys, see some cool builds. I'm sure you guys watching my videos, I'm sure some of you guys got some good builds or some projects that, like, you know, still getting there. It'll be cool. I'd like to see all that. And then if I post another one, I'll get to see like the updates, like what you guys have done on your builds. You know, it'll be cool. It'll definitely be really cool. But yeah, we're right now headed my way back home. I think this thing's trying to act a little funny, so we're heading back home, and I gotta switch lanes. All right, I got the PlayStation down, but I came back to the car. We're back home, by the way, too. Thank you for 826 subscriber, guys. It means a lot. It's pretty cool. I got a lot of you guys tuned in on me, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna film the outro right now fully, but I just wanted to take this little moment to thank you guys for all subscribing and watching the videos. I know I'm not the best content creator. I'm not very well, I could be energetic, but I get shy sometimes. But I appreciate all the support that you guys be giving me. It's really nice having like people supporting you. So big thank you to you guys. Give yourself a pat on the back and pretend it's me from Victor Doza. Pretend it's Victor. And there's a helicopter over there, the ghetto bird. I'm not even in the hood. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today. I came over here because there's people outside in my neighborhood and I felt awkward, so I came over here. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Civic looks cleaner with that door. I mean, still has like those, I don't know, it has like stains on it, but I could care less. It looks better. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully I gave you guys some nice updates, a little and maybe entertaining stories ish. But yeah, we're gonna get things rolling on this one, the CRV and Silverado as well. So hopefully that sums it up for you guys. We got the PS5. Maybe we'll start streaming. I don't know. It's up to you guys, and it's also up to me if I want to be doing that. I mean, I'll definitely be streaming a lot if I'm gonna be playing video games a lot. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Hit up the Instagram at Victor_Doza if you guys want. No pressure. Like, comment, subscribe. What else do you guys want to see? And yeah, have a good one, guys. Peep the setup, peep the setup, peep the setup. Got that new Kendrick playing right out of your guys' video. Just gotta let this shit download. Peep the setup. Alright, bye.